Welcome to lectures of discrete structures. In my last video, I explained when to add all the possibilities and when to multiply the possibilities based on the sum and product rule of counting. Okay, here in this video, let us learn how to solve the problems based on this. Okay, first problem, it says in a city, 8 newspapers and 4 magazines are printed, and Rajesh wants to subscribe one newspaper or one magazine. How many choices does he have? There are 8 options for newspaper and 4 options for magazines, right? So out of this, he wants to choose any one. Okay, he want to subscribe any one, either a newspaper or the magazine. Since it is or, as I mentioned earlier, if it is or, then we need to add all the options. So here 8 types of newspapers and there are 4 types of 4 different magazines. So the number of options or number of choices he is having is 12. You got the point? Since it is or here, we are adding all the possibilities. Let us go for the second problem. A tennis club consists of 8 boys and 5 girls. 8 boys and 5 girls. In how many ways can a mixed doubles team be chosen? In the sense, I have to choose one boy and one girl out of 8 boys and 5 girls because I want to make a mixed double team. Okay, doubles team. So I have to choose one boy and one girl. There are 8 boys. Okay, so 8 options for boys, and there are 5 girls. So 5 options for choosing a girl. Since it is and, we have to multiply the options. Therefore, there are 40 ways of choosing a boy and a girl out of 8 boys and 5 girls. Third problem, Mohan has 3 pants and 2 shirts. In how many ways can Mohan dress up with? Okay, say this is first one, second one, third one. 3 pants, 2 shirts every time, 2 options for shirts. Even with the he can pair up with the second pant and shirt 1 or even with shirt 2. So for 3 pants, for each pant he has got 2 choices of shirts. He can choose a shirt 1 or shirt 2. So like that there are 3 pants, and for each pant he can pair it with 2 shirts. So therefore he has got 3 into 2 choices. He can dress up in 6 ways. 2 ways here, 2 ways here, 2 ways here. So total 6. Either you add up all the possibilities just by taking 2 plus 2 plus 2, or you multiply 3 pants pairing with 2 shirts. Therefore 3 into 2. So 6 choices he has. Fourth question, a student can select one of 6 different maths books, one of 3 different chemistry books, and one of 4 different physics books. In how many different ways can a student select a book of maths, a book of chemistry, and a book of physics? It's and he has to choose one math book out of 6, and then out of 3 chemistry books he has to choose one, and out of 4 physics books he has to choose one. This is and. Okay. In how many different ways can a student select a book of maths, a book of chemistry, and a physics book? Since it is and, we need to multiply the option. So there are 6 options for maths book. There are 3 different chemistry books and 4 different physics books. So he has got 72 options. See here it is R, and he has to choose one math book, one chemistry book, and one physics book. So you need to multiply all the options. A fifth question: a coin is tossed and a die is rolled. Okay, what is the total number of all possible outcomes? Coin and a die. Okay, see, these two events are independent to each other, they are not depending on each other. Okay, when a coin is tossed, what are the options I am having? Either I may get head or a tail. Okay, when die is rolled, the options are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 options for die, and for tossing of a coin, I have got 2 options, that is head and tail. Okay, now it is and, because a coin is tossed and a die is rolled. Okay, it is and, so we are multiplying the possibilities. 2 into 6, it is 12. There are 12 options or 12 possible outcomes. It is and, that's why. Okay. Next, a coin is tossed 3 times. What is the total number of all possible outcomes? I missed yellow over here. Okay. A coin is tossed 3 times. Okay. So, first time when I toss a coin, I'll get 2 options, head and tail. Okay. This is the first time tossing. If I do second time, again I have got 2 options. I may get head or I may get I may get tail. Okay, even for the third toss. Okay, so each time I'm getting 2 options. I'm tossing 3 times. Therefore, 3 into 2. Not so. Why? See, it's first time when I toss, I'm getting head or tail. Okay, and see, it is coin is tossed 3 times, in the sense I'm tossing 3 times. Okay, action is repeated. Therefore, 2 into 2 into 2, it's 8. You got my point? I'm tossing 3 times. Same task is done thrice, and the options are same. I may get head or I may get tail. Every time I'm getting 2 options. Since I'm doing the action repeatedly 3 times, it's and. Okay, when it is and, I have to multiply. Therefore, 2 into 2 into 2. So it is 8. The last question: there are 25 girls and 15 boys in a class. In how many ways a class representative be chosen? There are 25 girls and 15 boys in a class. I want to choose a class representative. Usually there will be one class representative. Okay. So I have to choose among 25 girls and 5 boys. I have to choose one person. So how many options does I have? I have to choose any one out of 25 and 5. I can either I can choose a girl or a boy. Okay. So there are 5 boys and 25 girls. So I have 5 or 15. 15, no, I'm sorry. Yeah, there are 15 boys. Therefore, I have got 40 options. Out of 25 girls and 15 boys, I have to choose one personality. Okay, so it's or either I can choose a boy or a girl. Therefore, 25 plus 15. So there are 40 ways of choosing a class representative. Thank you for watching. In my next video, I'm going to teach about permutation and combination.